Hey guys, Dr. Davisson again at LA Fitness, still going over some leg stuff. So right here we have the prone leg curl or the hamstring curl through here. This is primarily going to work your hammies right through the backside. Trying to hit every different part of the leg, but this one's really good for stability, especially in walking and your posture and stuff like that. People notoriously have more tight hamstrings, so it's always good to roll these out and stretch them beforehand so that they're not too tight during your exercise, okay? So you want to set this for your leg height, and you're going to actually be laying face down. So with this, I'm kind of like medium height, so I put it on the medium lever. Every gym has a little bit different through there, but make sure it's touching right below the calf muscle here when you're laying on it. And you're gonna have your front of your quads touch through here. So when you're down, you have these handy grips to make sure that you're not straining or pulling your back because you don't wanna lift up or off. You wanna stay down. And then you slowly bring it up, you hold and squeeze, and then you bring it down and relax and do it about three to 10 times, depending on how much weight you're doing. You want to do 3 sets of that too. So nice and slow, contract that muscle. And that's it.